Amazon.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make mini pancakes. It's actually Ube pancakes and regular pancakes. Pinoy approved. Alright, let's hit the kitchen. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? For the wet ingredients, we're going to go ahead and put in our 2 eggs, our room temperature eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, which was 45 milliliters of sugar, 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk that together. Alright, and for the dry ingredients, we have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. If you want gluten-free, then use gluten-free flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, just total of 10 milliliters of baking powder. 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters of baking soda, and mix the dry ingredients together. Now we're going to go ahead and put the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now I'm going to make sure that my wet ingredients is fluffed and mixed pretty well. I'm going to grab my Swifter. Yes, this is a ramen strainer. And I'm going to put my flour into the wet mixture. And as I sift, I mix down here. Sift and mix. Okay, now we're going to transfer it into a squeeze bottle. So we're going to go ahead and use a funnel, put the cake batter inside the squeeze bottle. And now put a lid on it. On medium heat. We're going to put in some butter, melted butter. We're going to use 1 tablespoon. Okay, so our pan is now ready for our, what did you call them?
Pan flakes?
Pan flakes. Let's make our pan flakes. One looks funny.
Remember, because they're so small, it might only take about 1 or 2 minutes to cook per side. Okay?
Yeah, they're really fast. You know when to flip it when the pancakes have bubbles on the edges of the cakes. So now let's flip them. They're so cute. It's so cute. Baby pancakes.
It looks awesome.
Yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and do the ube ones. So we're going to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of ube extract into the pancake mix. Are you curious to see where I got this ube extract? Other than my local Asian store, you can purchase it on Amazon.com as well. So definitely check out the link in the description box below because, yeah, you can buy this on Amazon. Neat, eh? 1 tablespoon, which is 15 milliliters of ube extract. It looks black, but trust me, it's purple. It's purple. Mix, mix, mix. See, I told you, it looks black at first, but it's purple. And to make the pancake cereal, I'm going to be, instead of putting it into a squeeze bottle, I'm going to use syringe. Time to flip them.
A similar dish has been around for quite a while in the Netherlands, and they're called poffertjes, and are usually made with butter and sugar, which translates to mini pancakes, while TikTok, or TikTokers, call them pancake cereal.
Let's flip them after like 2 minutes, because they're so tiny, it goes really quickly. Top it off with anything you'd like, butter or syrup or milk, however you want to eat this. Enjoy. And so definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever we upload another video. And hey, definitely hit the like button and the share button if you might have some family and friends that are interested in this recipe. Hey, did you know that we give out shout outs for the people that actually comment down below? Yeah! And that being said, here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the next video.
If you've gotten to this part of the video, I really appreciate it. You've watched the entire video. Check out my YouTube channel for other recipes.
To tell
Ah!
they're ready to flip.
Ah!